Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm excited to be here. I hope you'll enjoy the video. I hope you'll leave comments, and it would be great if you subscribe. Today I want to talk about showing the percent of total and making sure that that percent is correct, even if you have filters applied. So we've got the sales for each region. And as you know, you can't just double click the sales. You can't pull the sales over. Oops, I guess you could do that. So what you need to do, come here first, is create a table calculation. We'll use a quick table calculation that shows the percent of total. And then we'll bring the sales in. Let me just switch those. And what you'll see as we get rid of the West region, the percentages recalculate. And that is not what we want at all. We want them to stay constant. Now here is one thought that you may have. We'll just say region percent of total. And we put the sum of sales here. And then we do the total sum of sales here. And this is one thing that I really hate, is that even if you have the name right, if you haven't typed tab or something, it's going to give you an error. So sales, sum of the sales divided by the total should give us what we want, or that's what you would think. Come here, change this format to percentage. I know it's a lot of effort just to prove that something doesn't work. Okay, deselect West, and you've got the same numbers. So that's not what we want. So let's come back here and edit this. And the issue is that this total is across everything. So what we really want here is we're going to use a level of detail expression, and we're going to say sum of sales. And then we curly bracket, and guess what? Here's the error. Oh, I didn't even blow that up for you. Here's the error. It's the aggregate non-aggregate. The way we get around that, I'm just going to make this a max. And that will change that so that it works. We hit OK. And now we have the percentages that we want. Now when we unselect one of the regions, the percentages stay constant. When would you use that, you'd ask? Well, if you were to put all the states underneath here and you wanted to show just the West or the East or the Central or the South, you might want to have the total percentage shown up. You could use that in titles. There's a couple different ways you'd want to use it, but that's how you would do it, using a level of detail expression, the squiggly lines.